Kamusta mga katropa? And welcome to our today's video. So, as the moment of this recording, we are only less than an hour away before the TL banner disappears. So, and for me, when this banner ends, I feel like the anniversary has ended already. Even though technically, we were still celebrating part 3. But anyways, the atmosphere in the game seems to be the end of 6th anniversary anyway. Because for me, the part 3 is somewhat like the roundup mission January. Something like that. So, and before the banner ends, as you can see, we have 500 Shinos, enough to make one summon in the TL banner. Okay? So, before it ends, and even though we didn't got any complete kit, but we're lacking only one, we will end the 6th anniversary fighting. And in this video, it will be a 2-part video. First is my summoning video. So, and the second one is on my thoughts regarding the 6th anniversary. So, how did it goes for me? And what is my opinion regarding it? Okay, so, of course, I can't control my reactions. So, maybe it can be in Filipino or in English, the language. But as regards my explanation, my thoughts regarding the 6th anniversary, it will be in English. So, let's go, buddies. So, even though I'm scared right now, I want to end it fighting. I want to end the anniversary fighting to get the kit of Sasuke, even though I didn't spend at all actually. These Shinos that we are using is still my free-to-play Shinos because yesterday we just received Shino Bites from AM ranks, and I just spent some of those that I got in the Gamakichi pack to expand my inventory a bit. So this is the remnants of those. So without further ado, let's go to the summon. So I'm summoning for Sasuke because I really need a defender, and I think he's the one whom I am lacking. Oh God, please, my Lord, I only need the LB. No more rituals. I will just pull for the last time. I hope this one is worth it. My God, my hands are shaking. Grabe. What? I hope it's really worth it. This is the last. Please. It's literally the last. Give me a gold card. And it must be the LB of Sasuke. Oh, Sasuke appears. Sasuke is here. Yan, yan! Please, please, Sasuke po, Sasuke! Please! Sige po, sige na po! Ay, naku po! Shit! Oh my! We almost had it. Ito na yun eh. Gold na eh. Bakit sinaga to? Ay, gulay. No, no, no. We will end it fighting, just as I say. Okay. My God. It's starting. Please, gold. Please, 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 please. Please. Have mercy. Oh my. 4-star again. 4-star again. I'm really officially shafted. My golly. Ay, ay, ay. Well, that's it, folks. As you can see, that is what we got during this last summon. Indeed, it's tragic. So, let's begin my opinion. As regards the 6th anniversary, you know, I can say it's really tragic. Because many players left the game. And some are complaining that even though they are already pay to win, some of them still was shafted. And even some of my guildmates quit the game because of this. Although yes, you can say that sometimes it really happens even in the past anniversary. Some players left and soon they will return eventually anyways. But what shocks me is when even YouTubers starts to leave. I don't know if you already came across the post of Pixlo NXB. He just said farewell yesterday or the other day because he announced that he's not playing the game anymore. And as you can see on the screen, here is his statement, his last post in his and he stated there the reason. He, even though he's not shafted, it's obvious he posted contents, but he doesn't feel happy anymore playing the game. That's what he stated. And then another one, it's NXB Abhishek. He also posted a content video showcasing his account for the last time. And he also said farewell, although he stated that he's just taking many exams currently. So but he will still be active in post, I guess. I think he just needs some time to at least to focus in his study, I guess. But even though I'm just doubtful because even though you are why need to release a video saying goodbye, even though technically you're not saying goodbye, you're just taking a break. Could you have just put at least I'm going to take a break, fam? For example, like that, even YouTubers disappointed. It's really shocking for me and my own experience of this 6th anniversary. As you can see right now, I was really shafted. Did you know how many free Shinos I've spent, buddies? 3K free Shinos. Remember, I'm free-to-play player. I just recently bought the Gamakichi pack yesterday, and I haven't bought since the day Shishui's Rikit ended. Okay? So, all the Shinos that I've used since Baryon in Naruto, the last banner, I've spent, if you'll count this, I spent 4,500 Shinos, and yet I only got the 2 4-star and the LB. My God, no EX ult. And then in Sasuke, the final showdown, I got the EX ult, but no LB. And I've spent 3,000 Shinos or 3,500 if you'll count our today's summon. So all in all, I've spent 11k free Shinobites, purely grinded. It's not bought by real money. And if you are really a true free-to-play player, you know how hard it is to gather 11k Shinos in 3 months. Although I can't imagine that I've amassed such quantities of Shinobites. Well, anyway, it's anniversary. We have many free Shinobites. But come to think of it, on my Baryon 3K summon, I only got the 4-star. What I am wishing for only there, at least the LB, because I have his EX ult already. But how tragic it is for me. I just don't know if you notice why my post has gotten late in posting lately, or I didn't post it at all. Some content. For example, you might be wondering where's the Tol Anong latest when the Light and Shadow Rikit came. The real root of that is actually because I feel cold right now as regards what I have experienced. Because yes, I was shafted. I was shafted before. But to be shafted for 3 consecutive months, or let's add Hashirama and Madara's banner, because there We didn't get the new EX Ult, though we got the LB and the 4-star, and I have EX Ult, so I don't have much problem there. I got shafted for 4 consecutive months, technically. And I was shafted during the most important part of NXB's timeline, and that is the anniversary, because it is during anniversary that NXB releases powerful Shinobi who could be useful for a long period of time, both in defense and attack. How tragic it is. But you know, as I am contemplating everything, things like, is the game really dying already? Are these the signs that we think of that might be the end already of NXB? Well, I think it's not. Though they made the game even dirtier, you know, because they took away many things and closed many doors to free-to-play players. They took away SAM. They took away exchange shops and medals gained when summoned. Because before, in the past anniversary, or I just don't know if there are medals there. I don't recall it very clear. But at least, if you recall, when you summon in a banner, there are medals there. And those medals, you can exchange with LB itself or the EX Ult. But now, it's none. You spend free Shinobites, and it's really literal. What you got there, that's it. You can, for example, buy this LB if you don't have of Naruto Light's new LB, even though you summoned many times in his banner, because you didn't get any medals. You will only get medals if you pay their tickets that is sold. Another thing, the pay to win tickets, they made it something like this, that during step 2 you need 5 tickets before you summon. So what are these 3 tickets for? Display? My God! So we are wasting this because I did not buy ticket. What are we going to do with this? Nothing. Wala. They will just get it. That is the downside. But the good side, yes, they've introduced a new feature. As we all know, the 4-star jutsu they are releasing since Sasuke the last and Naruto the last came. 4-star already strips invincibility and status effect. That is a new feature in the game, because before only the limit break can do that. Now the 4-star can also do this power. Okay? And the other one is the existence of the 8-star cards and the introduction of color protection in our own forts, not only in roundup mission. Although if you think about it, it's really pay to win, because you can only gain these hero memories and increase their rarity. I think the only source is really to use real money, because how now that Sasuke Uchiha the last banner ended and him being featured totally, so what are our other sources of these memories? At least the hero keys, they are selling hero keys in shop. We have a special shop here where we can buy this. So are they gonna release also something like this where they sell hero memories, for example? And if you think about it, the part 1, part 2, and part 3 anniversary, they just spread the events, no? So we didn't feel so much the atmosphere of a real anniversary, because before, when you open NXB, there are always mini games all the time. There's mini games. The music is new. There were good designs here, something like that. Festival and rocking like that. But now they spread it, you know. Though it also turned pay to win friendly, because before, every day there's mini games, and when you play it, you get free Shinobites here. Here we get 2 Shinobites. Here we get 5 Shinobites. Imagine, for 1.5 months, you get every day something like that. You could amass a good quantity of Shinobites there. But now, they only limited it for 10 days, for 15 days, and maybe it's really because they spread it. But why didn't they just made it consecutively? For example, after these 2 Bowl Buster and Ninja Quiz, after the period of 10 days, the next mini games featured is the running pigs, for example, or their other mini games. But why didn't they just fill the spaces where there are days that there's no mini games? So free Shinobite is still counting. So that's all are my opinion, but for me it's really tragic. But I cannot say that it's so tragic. What happened to me, yes, it's so tragic. But 6th anniversary of NXB overall is tragic, but not so tragic. There are still good things that they did, but the bad things that had happened is really, for me, much more in amount compared to the good things that we have personally received, especially the SAM. You know, the SAM. We can get there, my God, at least 400 Shinobites. If your guild can achieve in rankings getting 200 Shinobite at least, and then that another 200 is from free when you grind ranks. But no, they took it away. So sad. So sad. Especially now that everything will now end. And even in myself, aside from being shafted, I forgot to mention, my fort also fell. You know, I miss my 3-month glory in fort, where I am gaining more wins than losses. You know? And my only hope actually is Sasuke the Last. I'm hoping that he might save my fort by acquiring his LB, because I have observed how powerful his LB is, and yet I didn't got it. I only got the EX ult. And my Sasuke the Last, after I tried it in F4, even it's useless. It's useless, buddies. My God. Anyways, this is part of life, and at the end of the day, what we are dealing actually is only a game. It's only a game. So let's chill, and at least I am going to end my 6th anniversary fighting. And rest assured, even though I grew cold in NXB, I will still play it. I think you've already watched my 100th video special edit, and you know already my motivation why I play NXB. So that's all, buddies. Thank you for watching until the end. I hope you stick to the end. Kindly comment if you say wave, at least wave if you stick to the comment, and you've at least listened to my rants. Can I call it rants? Anyways, thank you. Kita-kits, mga katropa.